Hey guys, happy Monday. Coming to you from the log home in Virginia. It feels so good to be back, and when we walked through the doors, it literally smelled like wood. I love it. We left West Virginia Saturday after, well, it was still snowing. We had a big snow and we thought, oh goodness, do we leave tonight and while the roads are sort of cleared, or do we wait till the next day? But then, you know, any water that froze over during the night, you kind of have to wait for it to thaw out. So we thought, let's go, let's get out of Dodge. And that's exactly what we did. We got here around, I don't know, 9:30 Saturday night, and it feels so good to be back. The second I walked through the doors, when we were here the last time, I had moved furniture around, but I sort of left it a blank slate so that when I came back the next time, it would be like a blank canvas. So you can bet your bottom dollars, Sunday, which was yesterday, I was up and down the stairs all day. I cranking my music, just having a blast, decorating, my passion. So anyway, today we're going to be working on this little hutch. I moved this from another room and I placed it here, and we're going to decorate it for spring. You guys ready? My two oldest daughters will be here Wednesday. They're in West Virginia working, and so the whole family's going to be here. So I'm trying to get the house like all ready for when they arrive. So the rest of the week and weekend is just good times. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna start here and add a wreath. Also too, if you guys have been following me, you may remember this hutch. It was once named a nut hutch. Don't ask, I'll put an iCard there. Wreaths are a great space filler, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do by filling in that space right there. Next, I have this beautiful wood lantern that Bella D Designs made. I'll link her below. I absolutely love this, and to this, I'm gonna add a topiary. So here's this cute, rustic looking kind of topiary, and I'm simply gonna place it in here. Isn't that cute? I love it. Next, I have this rustic black candle holder, and to that, I'm adding this little doodad right on top, just like that.
Staying up till 3 in the morning, thinking about you, babe.
I love to layer, and so I have this little wreath with just a simple bow on it, and I'm gonna place that up there. You guys know how much I love chickens and roosters. So I thought, oh, one would look really cute up there with all the spring colors. So I ran down to look at my stash, and I found this one. And I loved the green and the little bit of yellow and the black. So I thought, I'll place this right here. Next, I thought a basket might be nice up there to add a little textural element, and I might try to snug it, I don't know, where that cord is to kind of conceal. We'll see. And now, greenery. I'm gonna snug that in on the corner and maybe right there, maybe there and there. Let's see. think it's cute. I'm happy with it. So now let's move to the shelves and let's style those. I can't help it. I'm gonna add a bunny plate. As if that wasn't enough, I'm going in for more. Now for the top shelves, I'm going in with a cream plate with a hunter green plate. And I think the two look beautiful together.
I was a girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. You were the guy.
Okay, next I'm going in with these two really cute bunnies and some lamb's ear. And I'm gonna sit the bunny in the lamb's ear. Okay, now on the ends, I'm just gonna put one greenery pick there, one there to kind of tie it in with what's going on up there. On this shelf, I am going to add a candle and a candle holder. Sometimes I like to mix and match my plates, and that's what I'm going to do here. So the ones on top are neutral, and I'm going to mix them with a pattern plate that has topiaries and flowers. Perfect for spring. I'm going to be adding 2 glass cloches with 2 terracotta pots with garden balls. So a little terracotta pot, garden ball. This side, I have a smaller pot with a little, garden ball. And then I have a different cloche that doesn't have a little glass thing. It's just, it looks like this. Okay, now on the bottom shelf, I have this really cute wood riser with the cute little feet. I found this at Home Goods a while back. And what I'm gonna add is you'll see. To the riser, I'm gonna add this. And then I'm adding 2 garden balls. Next, I have this beautiful piece of pottery and this little plant. I think I got this at a consignment store. And I'm just gonna plop it in here. And last but not least, I got this wire basket from Hobby Lobby, and I just placed a couple moss balls and a different garden ball in it. I could only really fit 3, so I might sit this right there and just put one beside it. right, my sweet friends, that'll wrap up my little video for today, my pop-up video. And I hope you enjoyed seeing me add some spring to the log home. We have scaled back our internet service here, so I wanted to kind of test it out today to see how fast it loads. And that will kind of dictate my Wednesday and Friday video. So fingers crossed, all goes well. But I thank you for all of your wonderful comments on Friday's video. I love you guys so much. And you guys get me. You guys do. So thank you. And yeah, we'll see you back here Wednesday for more decorating. Spring inspired. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye guys.